Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Indian Navy. Yes, when you will go to the official website of Indian Navy, here you can see in the career section one notification that they are invites application for the short service commission officer for the various entries June 2025 batch. Okay, at 25 courses. So let's see the details here. Apply online from the 14th September. They will start. Okay, the online application form will start from the 14th September and last date for online application will be 29th September 2024, my dear students. And here I'm just zooming here. So let's see. Applications are invited from eligible unmarried man and unmarried woman candidates for the grant of SSC for course commencing June 2025 onwards at the Indian Naval Academy. Okay, they mention the places Kerala and Azimala. Candidates must fulfill conditions of nationality as it is Government of India. Okay, now let's see. The first one is education qualification. So branch general service hydro. They mention here the BE Tech in any discipline with minimum 60% marks. So this is for the BE Tech students, any discipline with 60% marks. Number of vacancies are 56, including 6 hydro. Men and women, maximum of 15 vacancies in general GSX and 2 vacancies in GS hydro for women. Okay, born between 2nd July 2000 to 1st January 2006. Second is for the pilot, naval air operation and air traffic controller and logistic. So in this one, be in these three. If I'm talking about in these three, for pilot, naval air operation and air traffic controller, be taken any discipline with minimum 60% marks. Plus, candidate must have 60% aggregate marks in class 10th and 12th, and minimum 60% marks in English in class 10th or 12th. Okay, number of vacancies are mentioned 24, 21 and 20. Men and women number of vacancies are mentioned. They required the age also 2nd July 2001 to 1st July 2006 for all these three. Okay, let's come to the next one. Next is for the logistic. Be taken any discipline with first class or MBA with first class or BSc BCom. It is mentioned again. And 20 men and women born date also mentioned. Naval arrangement. Okay, armament inspector cadre NAIC. So B Tech with minimum 60% marks in mechanical. Now this is branch wise. Earlier, so anyone can apply with the B Tech. Any branch can apply, but here B Tech with minimum 60% marks in mechanical, mechanical with automation, electrical, electrical and electronics, electronics and microelectronics instrumentation. They mention all these branches. Okay, including 60% aggregate marks in 10th and 12th also, 60% in English also. Number of vacancies 16, men and women, and born date is mentioned again here. Okay, now the next is education 60% marks. This is the next category, which is for the education branch. And here also B Tech with minimum 60% marks in mechanical engineering, B Tech with 60% marks in electrical, electronics and communication are also eligible. MTech students are also eligible in this case. Number of vacancies are 8, men and women. This is only for the unmarried. Okay, and the date of birth also they mention here. Then the engineering branch, general service, GS, B Tech with minimum 60% marks in mechanical, marine, okay, instrumentation, production, aeronautical, industrial, engineering and management, control engineering, aerospace, automobile, and they mention this one. Number of vacancies 36, and this is. And electrical branch, general service. So this is B Tech with minimum 60% marks in electrical, electronics, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, telecommunication, applied electronics and communication. All these branches mentioned here. Okay, number of vacancies are 42, and men and women maximum 13 vacancies for women, and 2nd July 2000 to 1st January 2006. Okay, submarine arm also they mentioned who is eligible. Please read out the instruction also. Merchant navy personnel also please read out the instruction. Now who can apply? Candidates who have graduated or postgraduate or in the final year with the minimum 60% marks in aggregate or equivalent. So if you are in final year, then also you are eligible. If you are having a dream to work at Indian Navy, then surely this is a very good opportunity for you. Okay, and the university for the above mentioned should be incorporated by an act. So this is mentioned, means your university should be recognized. Or candidates who have obtained a degree in engineering with 60% marks in aggregate or equivalent are also eligible here. okay, from such foreign university, college, or these are also eligible. Now, candidates will be required to fulfill the education qualifications stipulated, which is mentioned. Okay, and all SSB recommended candidates would be required to inform their final result of respective degree to the Indian Navy at this one. Once, if you are a final year student, then only one application can be filled by a candidate. Specific number of candidates based on the service requirement who have chosen SSC pilot entry will be considered for SSC B, CPSS, aviation, and are advised to check physical or medical standard also. Okay. Candidate must indicate their preference for other branches. Can they also, you need to check these details. Pilot NAO allowances of rupees 31,250 will be admissible to candidates post successful completion of training. Okay, so they will give you the training also. Candidates are advised to ascertain their eligibility for branches or category wise with respect to applicable medical standard also. Okay, so they mention the medical standard also. What is the requirement? You can check here on the official website of Indian Navy. Tenure of commission, selected candidates will be granted short service commission initially for the 10 years, extendable by maximum for the 4 years in 210 subject service requirement. Okay, selection procedure. Now this is important. The selection procedure is as follow. Let's check it out. So shortlisting of application will be based on the normalized marks obtained by the candidates in the qualifying degree. First of all, marks obtained by the candidates, just I want to zoom. Okay, marks obtained by the candidates in the qualifying degree will be normalized using formula mentioned in the Join Indian Navy. They mention BTech for candidates who have completed BTech or in final year, okay, up to 5th semester will be considered for the SSB shortlisting. Second, postgraduate degree students are also eligible here. Then they mention candidates selected in the final merit list will be required to submit the proof of completing the qualifying degree with minimum 60% marks by sending an email. Then shortlisted candidates will be informed about their selection for SSB interview about email. Okay, so this is clearly mentioned that they will recruit you. First of all, they will shortlist you on the basis of your marks, and then they will call you for the interview, and there will be the medical conditions will be there. Sorry. Okay, and you can see these details. First of all, details of SSB procedure are available on the Indian Navy website. Please check it out, this one. Then merit list will be there or training will be there. Okay, training will be inducted in the rank of sub-lieutenant, subject to clearing of induction medical examination. Once you will clear all these things, then you will have the post of sub-lieutenant. Okay, only unmarried candidates are eligible for the training. This is mentioned. Okay, and probation period will be there for the 3 years, and for officers of other branches this is 2 years. Pay and allowances and group insurance and gratuity leave will be there also. The basic pay of sub lieutenant start from the 56,100 along with the other allowances as applicable. Okay, further details are available on the Indian Navy website. Please check it out. How to apply, this is again important. Please check it out, the detail. You need to go to the joinindiannavy.gov.in, and here you can just proceed. You need to proceed, okay, the instruction which is mentioned here. Okay, so please check it out, dear students, and when you will go to this one, you will have an idea. And the last date, again I'm repeating, this is 29th September 2024. It will start from the 14th. Today is the 10th. It will start from 14th, and the last date will be 29th September. So being an engineering student, if you are having a dream to work at Indian Navy, then yes, you are having opportunity, dear students. You can just try, okay, at your level best. For more details, you can check it out, the official Indian Navy website. Thank you. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy.